drag you out of yourself and take you into my heart. I've come to bring out the beauty you never knew you had and lift you like a prayer to the sky. Come to take you with me, even if I must drag you alone. But first I must steal your heart, then settle you in my soul. I've come as a spring to lay beside your blossoms. Feel the glory of happiness and spread your flowers around. I've come to show you off as the adornment in my house. And elevate you to the heavens as the prayers of those in love. If I were the wind, I would blow all your troubles away. I would make you sense the coolness of the breeze that will quench your burned soul. Take you to places you've never been to, places that will bring you peace. I will be the air you breathe. You will be surrounded by me if I were the wind. Take your pain away, sunshine may die down, but I'll be there to stay. The time has come to turn your heart into a temple of fire. Your essence is gold, hidden in dust. To reveal its splendor, you need to burn in the fire of love. The soul which cannot endure fire and smoke will never find the secrets. Now is the time to unite the soul and the world. Now is the time to see the sunlight dancing as one with the shadows. I love you neither with my heart nor with my mind. My heart might stop, my mind can forget. I love you with my soul because my soul never stops or forget.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel.